experienced today. We are currently demolishing part of this terminal to make way for continued construction on our new terminal.
We had a flight from the Newark airport to Fort Lauderdale, and we're going to this resort, but we had a 3-hour delay. So now we're just chilling. So Andrew's mom has no idea. She has no idea that we're in Florida right now, that we just flew to Fort Lauderdale. So tomorrow we're gonna try to prank her and give her a call and be like, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Go ahead.
I'm gonna tell her that I got really fucked up.
And we need a ride. We're gonna be like, we need a ride home. And she'll be like, okay, like obviously send me your location. So we'll send her a location and it's gonna be in Florida, so we're gonna try to see what she does. I wish my parents didn't know, because I would do the same thing, but
This is gonna be fucking
they
fun.
know, so yeah, we'll see what happens from there. But
Yo, Jackie, I'm lost and I'm fucked up.
the weather for tomorrow is
Stormy.
oh yeah. Currently making our way downtown. No, we're going to some New York deli. And we're gonna try to get some breakfast because it's almost 11 now. And we still haven't eaten since 11. So it's pretty fucked up. That's our plan. Someone's lean. I have to just mention, Andrew picked up his toast and took a bite out of both stacks. So if there's one major thing that I enjoy in life, it has to be waterfalls. I mean, I love them. It's not a crazy one, but
I thought they like you when you make it. This some other shit. Yeah, this some other shit. Friends and business don't mix, so I'm brotherless. Trying to get.
yeah, we got the best of the weekend so far. Tomorrow it's gonna be much nicer, so tonight we're gonna be just trying to bunker down for a little bit. There's not much going on. So as for today goes, we're probably just gonna be chilling in the room and watching the rain. I might take a couple pictures. Oh shoot, we got Andrew. So I think we're gonna try and call his mom now. And then we're gonna see if she answers. So let's try and give her a call.
Shit, she might, honestly, she might not even pick up. Let's see.
Hi, this is Jacqueline. I think it's
That's fucked up.
We're fucking in Florida, bro.
It's not nice at 3 in the morning.
Some Jersey boys in Florida, bro. We're some Jersey boys literally making it out to Florida. You're
place-
hyperventilating. You gotta take a breath.
This place is dead beat in the
It's
middle of the
dead
night.
heat, yo. It looks like a dead man's town.
It's fucking nice during the day.
The geckos are super friendly here. It's amazing.
I want you to come up and pet them.
They want you to come up and pet them. So growing up, my dad always used to do this thing with this grass. It's like crabgrass, like that thick grass, right?
Yeah.
So you put it between your thumbs, like both thumbs, and you would pull it tight. Come here, looking close. So like with my finger, I'm gonna like try to pull it tight. So I'm gonna put it between my thumbs, and I'm gonna try to pull it tight. See how it's tight right there? And then you blow through it.
It's tight, but it's right.
Not that piece. Yeah, this piece. You make like a cool whistle, bro.
That's awesome.
Crazy. So I just think this is pretty cool. I mean, I don't know if anyone here is like religious or not, but I guess this massive wooden cross had washed up on the shore in 2019, and it reads, "Our holy gift from the sea."
washed ashore February 1st, 2019. Its origin is unknown. And then of course it says for preservation purposes, please do not touch. But that's cool. It's got all like nice little knickknacks, old coconuts and stuff. Look at them dried up. That's sweet. Look at all the little shells on top and everything.
You good? Let's close the door.
Hello.
Hello?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay.
You didn't want to answer the phone yesterday. I needed help.
With what?
I woke up on a plane.
What? You're full of shit.
Look at your text.
Well, you couldn't have gotten through security if you weren't awake.
Well, somebody must have carried me around.
Uh-huh.
I sent you a text. Why don't you take a look?
I did.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean it's right. No, sorry.
What?
You're not selling me.
He's got a pin.
We're about to put this puppy up to 700 mile an hour.